Hi everyone, it's Tammy with Wings of Love Treasures, back with another video. So I wanted to do something different in this video. I got these butterflies. I'll show you some of the other ones. My grandkids made them for me, so I took them these butterflies and they painted them for me, and I put numbers on them, and I'm going to show you some sterling. Okay, so, and if you see anything you like, just email me with the number. All right, so this is all sterling. I just wanted to show you while I was gone and put up a video for you. So, for this Wednesday, today's Wednesday, I'm actually making this video on Monday. So, I'm a little confused, but I hope you're having a good Wednesday. Okay, all right, this first one, it's a number 1, okay, and this one is a turtle, little sterling silver turtle with a pretty box chain and a lobster claw clasp. There we go. Okay, and then I'm going to put it on here for you so you can see it. And I believe the arms move. Yeah, the arms and the legs move, and the tail. So it's articulated. It's so cute. Okay, so number 1 is a little turtle. And that's the actual length of it. So it's pretty long. All right. So that's 1. You have to bear with me. This is the first time I've ever done anything like this. All right. Then we have this beautiful one. And this is a lepidolite. Lepidolite pendant. And it's like a purpley gray. It's really pretty. And it's sterling, and it's got a huge bail, so you could put it on a different chain. I just have it on a snake chain. And it has a long extender that goes with it. And so, yeah, it's very pretty. And the extender, if you don't need it, let me know. I'll take it off. It's also sterling. Okay. So that would be the length without the extender. Let me see how long it would be. Yeah, about 20. Not quite 20. Like 18. All right. So we have that one. And that one was number 2 butterfly. All right. And then number 3 butterfly. I think my littlest one made that one. And this is a beautiful bracelet. It's got a stone in it. I'm not sure what kind of stone that is. Yeah, it's very thick. Very, very thick. It opens up like that on the side. And it says... Oh, Mexico. 925. Mexico, but I can't. Maybe it does go this way. THA77 Mexico 925. So it's very heavy. It's got a lot of silver on it. So very pretty. I love this swirl. Okay, so that's number 3. And then number 4, we also have a bracelet. Number 4. And this is a twisted bracelet. And this is a heavy sterling also. And it has 925 right there. Okay, and it's a cuff. Very pretty. All right, so that one was number 4. I just try to make it easier. That way, if you're interested in it, I just wanted to show you some sterling, and that makes it easier if you send me an email. Okay, this is tangled, but I'll get it untangled. And this is a sterling silver and turquoise pendant, southwestern style. Could be native. I'm not sure. It doesn't have any markings, A lot of times when they don't have markings, they're native. So, yeah. Very pretty. And if you want a different chain, I can put on a different chain because this chain is pretty shiny and new looking. And it's already got a knot. And that one was number 5. Okay. All right. And I'll check and see if that's native. I'll look that one up. So if anybody wants it, I'll check it out. This one's cute. Okay, this one's number 6. And this one's a bird, like a peace dove. Yeah, a peace dove pendant. And it has 925K. KM. There's a KM on the back. Okay. And it also has a box chain. But I mean, I can put any length of chain or style of chain you want. I have a ton of chains. So I could change them out. All right. That was number 6. And number 7. This is number 7. And this one is a bracelet. Beautiful 2 links chain bracelet with a lobster claw clasp, sterling silver. Very pretty. This one's heavy. This one's super nice. Very heavy. Nice length on it. Okay, let's see how long it is. It is an 8. So that's a man or a woman's. Size 8. And that is number 7. Okay. And then we have a B, number 8. Number 8 is a B with turquoise. And this chain is tangled too. I just noticed. Oh my. He's very tangled. I think because some of these chains are so thin, they get tangled up in themselves. There we go. Got it. All right. Beautiful chain, though. Look how dainty it is. I have one of these chains on. It's like you're wearing nothing. But it's a B. A little piece of turquoise right there. Okay. And the other side. Oh, let me look at it closer. It does have a mark, but I can't really see it very well. There's a mark and it says AA. So this may be Native American. I will look this one up also. Okay. So that's a pretty chain. But like I said, I can change the chains to anything you want. Okay, this one, and that was number 8. This one's number 9. Number 9. And this one is a sun. Beautiful sun. There's the back. And it says 925. And it's on a beautiful box chain with a spring ring clasp. And I think this one's Italy, this chain. Yeah. So, and this one, most of them are about 18 to 20. This one's 18. Okay. And that was number 9. All right. Then we have, oh, this one. Look at this. So this is a pendant. It's also a brooch. So you can wear as a brooch or a pendant. Mermaid. Sterling silver mermaid. And it's on this pretty bead ball chain. Sterling silver with a spring ring clasp. And I believe that one's Italy also. Okay, so pretty. And that one was number 10. All right. I've had too much coffee. I'm shaking. This is a blue agate. Sterling silver blue laced agate. And this has a nice size bail, so you could put it on other things. Like a leather cord would be beautiful. I don't have any of those, but yeah, I have to get some. This is also a Italy chain with a spring ring clasp. Beautiful twisted chain. Okay. Beautiful. And it's marked right up here. And I think it just says 925. Yeah, it's faded, but it says 925. Okay, and that was number 11. Number 11. Now this one is number 12. Number 12. And this is a beautiful mother of pearl with a pink background heart. And this has 925 right there. And it's also on a twisted made in Italy chain. And it has a spring ring clasp also. Okay. Beautiful. Love that one. And that was number 12. Now, number 13 is a bracelet. Number 13. And this is an abalone bracelet. And you can open it right here on the side. And then close it on the side. Okay. Beautiful abalone. I have quite a few of these at different shapes and stuff. If y'all are interested in them, I can bring them back and show you all of them one day if you want me to. Okay. And that one was 13. I have to do that because I got to remind myself. I forgot what it was already. Okay, this one's number 14. And this is a sterling silver diamond bracelet and metalwork. So there's a diamond and there's metalwork, metalwork, diamond, metalwork, metalwork, diamond. Okay. And it has a heart on it with little diamonds and metalwork. And it has a safety. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful, beautiful bracelet. Okay. And then just close it here. This, and then safety chain it. Okay. So very pretty. And that was number 14. All right. Now we have one more. Like I said, this can be a short video, but I wanted to put something up for y'all. Okay, this is 15. And this is a beautiful bracelet, hearts, sterling silver heart bracelet. And it has little black stones, probably spinel or something. They're little black stones in there. Yeah, very, very pretty. I didn't look on the other side. The other side may have, oh, that has diamonds. Okay, so one side has like a spinel and the other side has a diamond. Didn't even notice that. Lobster claw clasp. Very pretty. Let me see how long this one is. That one is a 7.5. I really like this one. Yeah. Very pretty. Okay. And that one was 15. Number 15. I want to do the 14, this diamond one. I want to see how long this one is. I did not check it. The length. Okay. That one is a 7.5. So this diamond one is 7.5, and that's number 14. Okay, well, that's all I wanted to show you guys. I just wanted to put something up. I know it's not a very long video, but I felt bad that I wasn't going to do any videos for you while I was gone. So if you like any of them and want to know more about them, just email me and I can give you a price. Okay? Have a wonderful rest of your week, and I'll see you on Sunday. Bye, guys. Mwah!